To book ticket using website, just log into your account and dito sa left side, click online booking, then click international flights, and bago ka mag-search ng flight, kindly check your markup. Ikaw yung mag-update ng markup mo. And by the way, ang transaction password is your transaction PIN upon registration. And then, click booking. Dito na tayo magsi-search ng flight. Ang ibubook ko ay round-trip ticket. Siyempre, meron diyang origin and then destination. Prepare the country, the city, and then the airport para hindi ka mahirapan mag-book ng ticket. So, dito may leave kung kailan siya alis, and then the return, kailan na babalik. Ang ibubook ko na ticket is one passenger only, and that is adult. Dito, yung airlines is all, and yung seat class is all na rin para hindi na tayo mahirapang mag-search. Then, click next. So, kindly wait kasi nagsisearch yan. Ang dami niyang isi-search na flight or airlines. 403 tie-up partners ang ipapacheck natin. So, ito na yung available flights from Japan to Manila. So, click lang yung button kung ano yung napili. And by the way, pwede nyo screenshot ito and then refer to your passenger na ang fare status is non-refundable. May nakalagay naman dyan. Then, click next and then choose flight. So, please wait. While waiting for the next window is the passenger's details. Sa passenger's details, importante na hindi magkamali sa first name, last name, and then the birth date. Mahal magkamali. So, kindly double check the first name, last name, and then the birth date. The cell phone number or the address, pwede sa passenger ang ilagay. But the email is you, the owner of the system, kasi nagsisend ng itinerary or copy of itinerary sa email mo. Then, click terms and condition, then next. Just kindly wait. Review the passenger's details again from the origin, the destination, the time and date, and the name. Then click agree. Then click book now. Okay, fill in your transaction password and then proceed. Once proceed, sa another window, may magpa-pop up na your booking is on process or kindly refer sa international flight mo kasi hindi agad-agad dyan nagge-generate ng ticket. So, go back to your homepage, go back to online booking, paki-click ang online booking and then click international flight. Then, click the e-tickets. And makikita mo dito yung check status na yung ticket. Then, click OK. So, loading pa yan kasi again, hindi agad-agad yan nagpa-process. Balikan mo mga 10 minutes. So, under ulit ang online booking. Click mo ulit yung international flights. And, i-click mo ulit yung e-booking or e-tickets. So, processing ito. Wait ka lang. Basta balikan mo lang ulit. Mga after 10 minutes. And once na nakita mo na dito sa e-ticket logs mo, yung naka-yellow na, yung kanina check status, yan na siya. Just click get ticket and then, charan! Ito na yung itinerary or ticket. So, screenshot or download and then isend mo sa client mo through messenger or through email. With that, maraming salamat.